All right, moving into the muscles, continuing on in our soft tissue section. Over here to the left in the PowerPoint is what you will be creating this week. With the muscle sheet that is in Canvas for you, you will have all of this information here on the hamstring, the quadricep, and the calf. All right, and then you also have a bunch of other secondary muscles that insert in the lower leg and they come off of the knee at some point, either it's on the tibia or the fibula. All right, but what I want you to do is I want you to choose these three muscles, the hamstring, the quadriceps, and the calf, and I want you to create your own diagram. In creating your own diagram, you're going to draw the hamstring group like you see in this picture. You're going to draw the quadricep and you're going to draw the calf. You're going to label the parts of the muscles, the origins. Like for the hamstring, the origin would be up here at the ischial tuberosity, if it's the semitendinosus and semimembranosus, or it's going to be up here at the ischium, which is a little bit higher. All right. Then you're going to draw the muscle belly, and then semitendinosus, semimembranosus are coming to the medial side of the knee. Bicep femoris is coming to the lateral side of the knee. So you also need to put your bone structures in. So we would know where the fibular head is here. We would know where the tibial plateau is. We would know where your femur is located. All right, have fun with it. Be creative. And this will help you understand origins and insertions and also where the muscles are. So the hamstring is on the back of the leg. We look here, this is a nice pretty bruise of a hamstring tear. All right, hamstring tears are kind of common. They come in all different colors though, depending on the amount of tissue damage. Sometimes you don't see any bruising. Sometimes you see a lot of bruising like you do in this picture. Moving to the quadricep is the front of the leg. Quad means four, so there are four muscles to this group. So if we look over here on the muscle sheet, we notice there are four muscles. All right, all four of these muscles work together to create the quadricep group to extend the knee and flex the hip. So if you look here on your paper, action is knee extension. So that means we're straightening the leg out by using the quadricep, which then means we're bending the knee using the hamstring. So they are opposite muscles. Vastus medialis is on the medial side. It is the smallest one. Vastus lateralis is on the outside. That's the green one. And then vastus intermedius and rectus femoris are in the middle, and they're both colored red. You cannot palpate the vastus intermedius because the rectus femoris sits on top of it. All right, so again, you're going to annotate a picture, you're going to create it yourself, and you're going to draw and color the muscles in. All right, stop this video clip, and I will continue on with your patellofemoral assessment notes here shortly.